Our philosophy is buy once, buy right, so that's why we prefer the using high quality products. We believe that homeowners should choose a higher quality product. There's many products in the solar industry that some of them are good, some of them are bad. It's hard for the average punter to know what is good in the industry, so using well-known brands is always a safe bet. Homeowners are looking to offset their electricity costs, so a solar system is one of the best investments to insulate yourself from these ever-increasing electricity costs. At the end of the day, the customers do want a high-quality product that's going to yield them the most amount of kilowatt hours long term. So you don't want to be replacing a system in 3 to 5 years. You want to spend your money right and actually have a product that can actually last the test of time and last the full 25 years of the product warranty. Yes, it's definitely cheaper to pay more, a little bit more up front. Solar is a marathon, it's not a sprint, so at the end of the day, the system that lasts the longest will win the marathon and earn you more money in the long run.